Hi all, I know it's been a couple of weeks now since I've done a video, but a new job and just being under the weather, I haven't really felt like doing much. Plus, it's a new guitar day here, so what we've got today is something a bit special. So my ESP LTD F, that's now been sold to make way for this new little beauty. So before we start talking too much, let's just get into it. So what we've got here is a Fender made in Japan Thinline. Now this is ash body, maple neck. Now from what I've read on the specs, this has been upgraded. So here we've got a Damasio PF 59, I believe. They've kept the middle Texas Special pickup, and the bridge is a Damasio Super Distortion in a single in like a single pickup configuration, single coil even, and the bridge has been upgraded to a 6-saddle ashtray style. It's also got a push-pull coil tap, and it's got this beautiful sunburst look to it. So let's just pick it up. I've been a big fan of Thinlines for a number of years now. Something about having my F hole in there just does something. And also just how bright and loud it is as well is amazing. And if we turn it around here, we can see crafted in Japan. So without further ado, let's play some tones. Okay, so we'll go through some of the tones now. I've got this on a clean setting. The pickup configuration, it's a 5-way switch instead of a traditional 3-way with normal tellies. So forgive me for the pickup configuration, it's a little unorthodox, but we've got the bridge pickup in this position here. In this position, it's these two, so the middle and the bridge. In this middle setting, it's actually the bridge and the humbucker. Position 4 is just the middle pickup, and then of course we've got the net pickup all the way here, and of course we've got the push-pull coil tap as well, which is really nice as well. So let's start with bridge. Let's try the next position. Middle, which is the bridge and humbucker. So to me, that's possibly the nicest clean tone I've ever got. I think it's just the combination of pickups here is just phenomenal. So let's try some more rhythm tones. So we've got a few on here to go through. So this is just a bog standard, slightly overdriven, like kind of crunch tone. Let's try with a bit more distortion. Let's try it with a bit of fuzz. Let's try some lead stuff for it. just a little run through this amazing guitar. Hopefully get a lot more videos using this one. I don't think this one's going anywhere anytime soon. This is most probably the most expensive guitar I've ever bought, so definitely don't want it to go anywhere, but watch this space.